To build a brick wall, first plant a story pole wherever you're placing your wall by digging a wood post into the ground and marking off your wall's height on it to serve as a guide. Then, lay your bricks down wherever you plan on installing the wall with 3/8 of an inch, 9.5 millimeters gap between them where the mortar will go. Lay down wood boards along your template and mark off the locations of each gap. These boards will serve as your template. Leave your first row of bricks on the ground next to the template and mix your mortar. Set 3 bricks aside at any corner or edge and throw your first layer of mortar on the ground. Smooth it out with your trowel and set your first 3 bricks in place after loading the sides with mortar. Gently press them into place to remove any air bubbles and scrape excess mortar off of the sides. Use a spirit level to make sure your bricks are level and continue working your way along the guide boards. Continue working this way until your first row is finished. On top of this row, lay your bricks out so that the gaps between bricks on the second layer rest in the middle of the bricks underneath. Continue throwing mortar, scraping the excess off, and checking your bricks to make sure they're level, both horizontally and vertically. When the wall is built, wait 20 to 40 minutes for the mortar to partially cure and clean the wall with a brush. As an aside, if you're building a wall taller than 2 feet, 0.6 meters high, a single row of bricks with 1 horizontal layer will not typically be strong enough. With taller walls, you typically need at least 2 layers of bricks stacked next to one another to keep the wall reinforced.